Hello, I'm Dr. Musa from Excel Laser Vision Institute, and today I'm here to answer a few questions about LASIK eye surgery. One of the most commonly asked questions is, how will LASIK improve my quality of life? Like every elective procedure, we always look to choose to do something to help our quality of life. So LASIK is a common procedure that most people look to try and improve their quality of life. One of the most fundamental things that I see with patients after LASIK eye surgery is the incredible freedom they get from seeing the world without glasses or contact lenses. It's extremely liberating. It's incredibly fun to wake up in the morning and exciting to open your eyes and be able to see clearly across the room. One of the nicest and most wonderful compliments I get from patients is the excitement the next day of them realizing how quickly they've gained their vision after the surgery and how quickly they've benefited from the surgery itself. I also like to mention the additional benefits one gets from a procedure like LASIK eye surgery, and that's a safety benefit. Most of us that live in California realize the risk of earthquakes, the safety hazards of wildfires, what we always contend with as our own, natural self-safety, if you will. LASIK allows you the freedom to not have to be concerned about not having your glasses, not being able to reach your glasses in a time of need, not having your contacts in or your contacts falling out while driving. All these benefits that one can ascribe to LASIK are significant because it not only improves your quality of life, it improves your safety around things that you otherwise don't think about. So it's been a wonderful experience over the past 22 years providing LASIK eye surgery to patients and allowing them to get the freedom from glasses and contact lenses.